Sermon Notes Explained, Simplifying Religious Language. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase used in religious contexts, sermon notes. Whether you're learning English for personal growth, academic purposes, or to understand cultural and religious practices better, this video will help you grasp the meaning and use of this phrase. Sermon notes refer to the written points or summaries taken during a sermon. A sermon is a talk on a religious or moral subject, usually given during a religious service by a religious leader. These notes help individuals remember key points, reflect on the message, and apply the teachings in their daily lives. Taking sermon notes is significant for several reasons. Firstly, it helps attendees retain the information shared. Secondly, notes serve as a personal record for future reference. They can also be a tool for sharing insights with others. In educational settings, sermon notes can be used to teach English language learners about religious vocabulary and cultural practices. 1. Listen actively. Pay attention to the main points and scriptures mentioned. 2. Use keywords. Write down significant words or phrases. 3. Reflect. Think about how the sermon applies to your life or what you can learn from it. 4. Review. After the service, go over your notes to better understand and remember the sermon. While sermon notes are common in Christian practices, similar practices exist in other religions too, though they may have different names. Understanding this practice can offer insights into various cultural and religious traditions, enhancing cultural competence in language learning. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and significance of sermon notes in a religious context. Remember, language learning is not just about words and grammar, it's also about understanding the cultural and social practices that language encompasses. Keep exploring, and happy learning!